Many people want to lose weight, but it's not always easy. Getting rid of excess fat requires effort and discipline, especially when it comes to your eating and exercise habits. We know that in order to lose weight, we have to eat less calories than what our body needs each day. There are a few foods that can help anyone looking to lose weight fast. For example, the eggplant. This legume from the pepper family isn't exactly popular due to its sour taste that few enjoy. In today's video, we're going to talk about some of the benefits of eggplants and how they can help you lose weight quickly. Eggplants are rich in water, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, are chock full of antioxidants, and have very few calories. That's why they're great for anyone who wants to shed a few pounds. Eggplants have lots of insoluble fiber. This fiber slows down the digestion process and keeps you full for longer. When you aren't as hungry, you consume less calories. Furthermore, eggplants also have soluble fibers. These fibers, when consumed along with water, turn into gel in your stomach. This gel absorbs fat and expels it through fecal matter, keeping it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. And this is why eggplant water is widely known as a miracle drink. In order to make this drink, take a medium-sized eggplant, peel it, wash it, and cut it into cubes. Take a dark jar and put half a liter of water in it. Then add the eggplant cubes. Let the eggplant soak overnight and drink it the next day with some lemon juice to add some antioxidants and improve the flavor. You should drink some twice a day before main meals. Do this for a week and wait for results. Apart from helping you lose weight, this recipe will improve your cholesterol and regulate your digestive tract, detoxifying your body. It's also great for anyone suffering from constipation. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.